look at all the fireworks. What fireworks are there? Ooh, sparklers. Ow, that bird. Ooh, spinny things. Firecrackers. Smoke grenade. Bottle rockets. Ooh. Okay, that's enough 4th of July for today. Well, it's finally time that I opened all the mail you guys sent me.
I made it to mail time. Hey, do you want to be my friend? What are you doing up there? Oh, that kind of tickles. Oh, not back in there. Oh, hey, would you want to be my friend? Oh, come on.
Wow, you guys did send me quite a bit of mail. All right, let's get this started. So the first one, Samuel got me a gift card to Rocky Mountain ATV Motocross, and I ended up getting the Tusk grip heater kit. So I'm definitely gonna install that this fall because I'm gonna need it. So thank you very much, Samuel. I will dedicate that video to you. Next, I got a letter here from Sebastian. He's all the way in Switzerland. Dear TDubsKid, I'm Sebastian, 37 years old and live in Switzerland. I'm not actually new to motorcycling as I got my license for 125cc motorcycles in '97 at the age of 16 and a used 50cc bike as a ride to high school. After getting a car, I didn't pay much attention to motorcycles anymore, but as I became older, I thought about getting a new bike. In 2008, I suffered an acute hearing loss, which not only damaged my hearing, but also affected my sense of balance strongly. Since I was barely able to leave the shower without help, I nearly lost any faith to be able to ride a motorcycle again. It was quite a rough time for me. Over the last 10 years, my medical condition became better, so I thought about getting a new motorcycle and finally bought a Honda Grom in 2018. This little bike is quite fun on the road and helps me build new confidence in my riding skills after such a long time without a bike. After watching your videos for more than 4 months now, I'm thinking about getting a Yamaha TW125 in addition to my Grom. Due to various regulations, Yamaha doesn't sell T-Dubs in Europe anymore. This summer, I'll be doing a road trip, and believe it or not, when they're out this way, they actually took me out to dinner and they brought me these little figurines all the way from Switzerland. Like, check it out, it's a little cow and one of those dogs with the barrels around its neck. And they also brought me some coffee and beef jerky, which I already ate, but thank you so much. That was really nice of you guys, and it was definitely a pleasure hanging out. And Sebastian, I'm really glad your hearing loss problem has been getting better over the years so you can ride again. Nothing's worse than physical problems. All right, next one is from Steve. There's nothing much else better than cars and coffee. Well, bikes, of course, but I do like coffee. Steve, thank you very much for the stickers. Colorado, cars, and coffee. Next one is from Fulton. All right, so I'm not gonna read the whole thing out loud because it is pretty long, but Pretty much this is from Lynn, and she is a woman, which is pretty cool because there are not very many women who ride motorcycle, unfortunately. She's 59 years old, and she's actually the camp host in Springdale Campground. That's like further south of Rampart Range. Welcome to Springdale Campground. But yeah, I'll definitely try to let you know sometime this summer. Maybe we get like a group going even. Like that would be kind of cool. And I could definitely show you some cool trails. Thank you very much, Lynn. Next one is from TeeDubs Club, and I think they're in Southern California, and they do like group rides. They have an Instagram account. Oh, that's so cool. What? Is that a patch? That is neat. Oh, it is a patch. It looks so cool. Check that out. A bunch of stickers. I'm definitely gonna put one of those on the TeeDubs. It's very good. I wish I lived close enough to be in TeeDubs Club, but definitely check them out on Instagram. All right, next I guess I'll open this one. This one is from Rock Ready Engineering, and they actually sent me this to try out. So this is from Singapore actually, and it's a bar pad toolkit. Definitely really like the idea of just using like a simple bar pad and turning it into a really cool toolkit. Check that out. Even has a breaker bar, extension, all the sockets you would need, different bit drivers, even has Torx, hex keys. So I'm definitely gonna try this out, and I'll make a separate video on it because this one is already gonna be way too long, but it's definitely an interesting, unique product, and I can't wait to give it a try. Next, we have one from Mike and Christy, and they're from Tennessee. Ooh. So this seems to be all stuff from Tail of the Dragon. And the only thing I know is that it's a really cool road for motorcycles. Oh, so this pretty much sums it up. I haven't actually survived it yet, but 318 curves in 11 miles. That is one crazy dragon. We've got a lanyard, bottle opener. Oh yeah, Sasquatch sticker. Guys, you have no idea how much this makes me want to go to Tennessee and ride the Tail of the Dragon. But thank you very much, Mike and Christy, for Tail of the Dragon starter kit. Next one is from Jim. TDubsKid. I'll try to keep this short so I don't bore you to death. The wife and I have a little place in Arizona that we go 2 or 3 times a year to get away from our place here in Central California. Out the front door is hundreds of miles of trails on BLM land that we have been exploring with our side-by-side. About a month ago, she asked me if I ever thought about getting a bike to go riding in the desert. Well, after doing a fair amount of research, watching your videos, I found a TW200. All I can say is thanks for the honest review of the awesome little ride. Growing up, most of my riding was cow trailing, and I still totally enjoy this type of riding. So the T-Dub is just perfect for this type of riding. Thanks for making your videos very informative. They are great, and I can tell that you spend a fair amount of time on them. And a little something for you. Thanks again, Jim. Oh, that's so cool. It's a little keychain. It has a TDubsKid on one side and TW200 on the other side. Well, thank you very much, Jim. Hopefully you're out enjoying your new TW200, and there will be many more how-to videos to come. Next we have this one from Shawn. Oh, there's even an oil filter in here. Oh wait, it's just a note. Hey T-Dubs, my name is Shawn, or True Small Salmon, and I live in Homer, Alaska. I have a 2014 TW200. I bought it in 16, knowing absolutely nothing about motorbikes. Needless to say, your videos did an unbelievable amount of good in regards to my TW's overall health and in my comfort of tweaking and maintaining my TW. Your videos continue to be my exceptionally ideal tutorials. And with such polish, it would be no stretch to say that I owe you money for this service. Enclosing money is a bit tacky. Instead, I've enclosed some bits and pieces. Hopefully you enjoy. Aw, thanks, dude. And yeah, honestly, I'd kind of feel bad if someone like just sent me money. And also, the reason I started making how-to videos is that when I bought my TW200, I needed to do an oil change. So I thought I would just go on YouTube and find out how to do it. And there was like nothing on there at the time. So I decided I was just gonna make my own videos. So when someone goes there, they could actually find something. Anyways, what in the world is this? Oh, it's a belt. That's pretty cool. And we got a sticker and oh, some buttons and a 3-monkey medallion. And a serrated knife. That would actually be perfect for steaks. Maybe I'll have to bring a steak moto camping someday. But anyways, thanks again, Shawn. Very much appreciated. Next one is from Adventure Awaits. Wow. It reads, thanks for the great videos, entertaining and funny. I have enclosed some safety gear for you. I am a locomotive engineer on the BNSF Railway, and this is the gear we wear, and I enclosed a warm hat to wear. Thanks again, Adventure Awaits. Keep on trucking. Dude, that's so cool. I would love to work on the railroad. We have a hat and some work gloves. I'm gonna need some of those. And of course, it is not official without safety vest. Oh, there we go. I've been working on the railroad. All right, so I'll make you a deal. I'll let you ride TW200 for a day if you let me drive a train. I've always wanted to drive a train. But thank you very much. Adventure awaits, everybody. All right, next, this one is from Jared. Oh, I think I remember you telling me you were gonna send me this. This is actually from Jared's parents' company, which is Andrasina Emerald Aloe Skincare. So basically, this is a bunch of like aloe vera and CBD topical products, which is supposed to be good for pain. And you guys know me, I have lots of joint problems. We got some After Sun aloe vera and some sunscreen, a bunch of various other things. And my favorite part is the Canavera, which is the topical pain relief. I can't wait to try that out and see how it works. Okay, so I'm not gonna read the whole thing out loud because it is kind of long, but it goes into like the information and instructions on everything. So he's had shoulder problems and multiple shoulder surgeries, like swimming competitively and lifeguarding. And I've actually had a shoulder surgery a long time ago, and I still have like aches and problems with it as well. But yeah, it's definitely good to try to manage your pain without using like Tylenol and ibuprofen. Especially ibuprofen and stuff like that has a lot of nasty side effects. He also says, I enjoy riding my TW200 and enjoy your how-to and camping videos. Your creative ability to edit video is awesome. Thank you so much, Jared, and make sure to tell your parents thank you. I will definitely try this out and let you know how it goes in the next mail time video. I feel like I'm 80 years old. Last but not least, this one is from Nolan. Whoa, dude, that's so cool. It's one of those single strap backpacks. I've always wanted to try one of these, but I never have. Check that out. So I already have a camelback, but I can't fit a whole lot of stuff in the pockets, so this will be perfect if I want to bring a lot of extra stuff with me because it's fairly expandable. It's got lots of pockets, plenty of room. It even has a water bottle holder on the side. And, oh, he was telling me about this. This is like a really cool pocket, and it's got Velcro in there, and you could actually put a holster. It also has a little Velcro spot for patches, which would be perfect for TeeDubs Club patch. Thank you so much, Nolan. I can't wait to try it out. Oh, and I almost forgot, my friend Devin, who used to ride the XR650, made me this keychain with his 3D printer. Thanks, Devin. All right, guys, it looks like we're all out of mail, so it's time to check the trail cam. Put it out here last week. All right, so it looks like it got tripped 3 times, and I just have it set up so it takes a photo and a video. And let's see what we got. Just looks like some wind, pretty boring. This one is a little bit more intense wind. And then of course, when I went to go pick it up, so yep, nothing to see here. All right, let's try this again. Except this time I brought a can of oysters. Oh, it smells disgusting. Yeah, I'm sure this is gonna attract something here. Oh, stuff reeks. Yeah! And we're back. Only this time, I got my friends with me. Yeah, the flashlight's on spooky mode right now. Do you want to see lighthouse mode?
Yeah, let's go to lighthouse mode. Oh.
It's like daytime. Ugh. Gotta get over this. Yeah, it's right over here. We found it. Yep. All right, so there's not much here, but let's go ahead and see what we got. Ooh, some misty rain, but I don't see any animals. Let's check this other one. It just looks like some wind again. And then this is kind of creepy, but this is just me picking it up, so at least I know it works. I'm really not sure what happened to those oysters. Unless I put it too close to the camera and like some small animal came up behind it, or it was just out of view. I don't know, but oh well. Well, that's kind of disappointing, but next time I will catch some kind of animal, even if I have to pay this guy right here. Yeah. But anyways, instead of just mail time, I was thinking about making this the TDubsKid show. We could like have different segments, like trail cam, and I could like answer your guys' questions, and there's like so many other things I could do, but let me know what you guys think, or if you have any ideas, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Well, anyways, thanks again to everybody who sent me stuff, and even the people who just watch the videos. You guys are so awesome, and I have my work cut out for me. I got a lot of videos to make, but anyways, don't forget to go on your own adventure, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.